Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will model a windmill and set a beautiful scene for it. So first add a cylinder and keep the vertices numbered to 8, then scale the cylinder down on X and Y axis and then put the cylinder on cursor, then scale the cylinder up on Z axis. Select the top vertices O to the cylinder and scale them down. Now add a loop cut at the middle of cylinder by pressing Ctrl R and drag it down to the bottom. Now select 3 random faces at the bottom of the cylinder and extrude them along the normals by Alt-D, then scale them down on Z-axis. Now move the faces down on Z-axis a little. Now select the edges at the top, duplicate them by Shift-D and move them above the cylinder and rotate them 90 degrees on Y-axis. Now select the edges and extrude them in a way that it resembles the top of a windmill. Now add a subdivision modifier to it and then add loop cuts to the edges that look shady by Ctrl R. For the wings, duplicate the circle, drag it to the middle and extrude its 3 edges on Y-axis and then rearrange them to look like a wing of a windmill. Now duplicate it 2 times and rotate them 90 degrees each on X-axis. In next part we will texture it and set a scene so don't miss it. This is basically it for today. Hope you enjoys it and stay connected to learn more about 3D. Thank you.